Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app, and this is how it opens up. From here we just tap on continue with Google. Then we select the email address that we want to create an account with. And then we have a few things to specify. Like this, tap on agree to terms and conditions, and tap on continue. And here you set your level of how much you know about wine, so you have some knowledge. Then you tap on the functions that you would like to receive, like to learn on the Vivino app. Then you tap on continue, and here you can select the premium or the free version, and just like that you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.